There has never been a more important and better time to step up and take your responsibilities, building towards your freedom with an online business. Hello everyone, it's Anri Davids here. In this video, I want to give you a COVID update because most of our clients, actually all our clients who have set up their business the right way, having insane record sales. And in this video, I'm gonna explain to you why this is and how to start yourself as well. Our clients, actually all our clients who are positioned well, who already figured out the niche and who know their audience, having record sales. And this is amazing. Like, I never saw so many people getting so many results. And actually, I also breached the record of sales in March. And this happens because people are waking up. People are locked up in home. Look, people are living in trance. They're in work mode, you know? They wake up, they go to work, they go to home, maybe spend some time with family or friends and watching Netflix, and they go to bed and then do that over, and in the weekends they party. But right now, what's happening? They're locked up at home, they have no job. They start to think finally. People start to wake up. They start to realize, okay, hell, what did I do my entire life? And what will happen if I continue my life like this? I wouldn't be fulfilled, I wouldn't be happy, I'll only get more in debt. And maybe then I'm 65 or 70, then I am able to retire. But what then? What can I get out of life when I'm 70 years old? Anyway, if you're new on this channel, please like this video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, and comment crisis if you woke up and start to realize that you need to do something. What I told you, right? Our clients are having amazing record sales, me as well. People waking up there at home, start thinking, okay, what's next? What do I have to do? And everyone is connected. The world has never been as connected as it is right now online. And people are getting more creative. I see so many creative videos coming over, so many people creating stuff. And this is the time for creation, time to step up and start to take your responsibilities. And the clients I have with all these different niches, people also see, okay, I have all those problems. And right now I have time and actually put some time and effort into getting those problems solved. And engaging those people has never been as easier because people are already thinking. Like, you don't even need to convince anyone anymore. People are coming to you. If you're positioned as the ROLEX, as the Tesla or the Apple in your niche, and you know what you're selling and who your audience is, you're making content for them, and you start engaging with them, they're coming to you, they beg you actually to get helped by you. Because there are so many people doing nothing. So many people have still money. So, like, there will always be people with money and rich people. There are also people, of course, who don't have money, but with the right positioning, with the right niche, you talking only with people with money. And those people are thinking, they have problems they want to get solved, and you are there to solve their problems. So Connor, in my last video, I made a video about my client Result. He's a performance consultant right now. He helps you to max out your productivity with aligning your mind and body. So he tweaks your sleep, tweaks your habits and everything. And he got a record sales last month because people want to get more healthy, they want to feel more fit, they want to take their responsibilities as well and like focus on their productivity so they can start working towards other things. And it is not only with productivity, it's with online businesses, it's with fitness, it's with relationships, it's with all those different niches where people have problems with and trying to get help from someone. The first step, if you want to take advantage of this time, if you want to also start this online consulting business or this online service providing business, right now, the first thing you have to figure out, okay, what niche, what topic I have to build my business around. And there are like so many different kind of business ideas and niches possible and profitable in these times. And if you also, the second step, so for the first step is realize, okay, what's my niche, where I'm going to help people with, what I'm going to sell. And then you have to figure out, okay, who's the person I want to help? Because you have a real audience and a fake audience, right? For example, if you want to be a fitness coach right now, you can talk to people who already have knowledge about fitness and people who have no money, but that's your fake audience, obviously. We teach you to always sell to beginners. You always want to help people who have not a lot of knowledge about the thing you are trying to sell. So if you help someone, like an entrepreneur, for example, who has money and who has not a lot of knowledge about what you're trying to sell, but they have a problem and you solve that problem and you position yourself as donut actually as the one solution for that problem. And then later, of course, you always want to sell the donut and then give them the broccoli. And then you have to really figure out who's this person. And then you start making content with them and engage with them. And you see that people all respond and respond positively because they are like more open-minded. People are way more open-minded to take action, and they realize that the world is changing and they need to have to do something, especially online, and work on their problems and solve the problems, so they're stronger, so they come out stronger from this. So instead of wasting time playing games all day, they actually focus on something that will benefit, where they benefit from. And when you figured out what your niche is, where the people you want to help, you also want to realize and figure out where those people hang out online. So sometimes it's LinkedIn, sometimes it's Facebook, sometimes it's Instagram, maybe TikTok. And then you have to completely dominate the social media platform. You have to make content, high quality content, and every piece of content you make have to talk to this person so they align with it. When this person comes to your social media platform and they scroll through your content, they align with that piece of content because you're talking straight to them. And when you have that, when you like your content, when they comment to your content, engage with any kind of way of your content, you can start chatting with them. It's like, hey, like, thanks for liking or commenting or following me or my content. Are you also struggling with this? Or are you also doing this? Say yes, and you go deeper. Have a great personal connection. Create a personal connection. Go deeper into their struggles, where they're struggling with. Ask what they did already to solve their problems. And then you say, you know what, like, let's jump on a call and let's discuss and see how I can help you. You know, you get them on the phone, you go deeper into them, you figure out if they're a right fit, if they have the problem, and if you can really help them, because we only want to work with people we really know we can help them, because we don't want to waste our time and energy with people who already we can't get amazing results for. It's all about getting amazing results for your clients and charge high ticket prices, so you can charge even higher ticket prices because you get more testimonials and case studies, and you put that all into marketing. And those are actually the steps, right? So if you want to start, figure out the niche. What's the topic you're gonna build your business around? Who's the person you want to help? Figure out where they are hanging out online. Start to create content for those kind of people exactly with the problem you like to solve. All high quality, all as the ROLEX, the Tesla, or the Apple. So go through those Apple, Tesla, and ROLEX tests. Okay, would Apple do this? Would Tesla do this? If yes, post it. If not, create something else. Also, delete all your old pictures, all your BS content that doesn't align with the people you want to help. If you want to keep your social media just for friends and everything, just say hello, create a new social media platform and start over from that. Those are actually the first steps. And if you want to understand more niche ideas, if you want to get more inspiration about what niches are actually profitable, because you don't want to just jump in a niche, reinvent the wheel, and find the hidden gem. No, we always want to work in a niche, build our business around something that's already proven to work, where people already make money with. So if you want to know ideas, if you want to get more inspiration, I made a whole video about that, and this video is going to be here. So click the video here. We'll learn you a lot more and get you inspired. So click the video here, and I'll see you there.